Hello, dear students. Myself Rajiv Kumar Sharma, your maths teacher. As you know, we have revised this chapter number system continuously 2 days. In the first segment, we discussed about that factorization and rationalization. And the next video, we have discussed about the questions on the basis of indices rule by taking some example. Today we will revise the questions of this same chapter number system that are MCQs, means multiple choice question based. So many questions can be prepared in this chapter, right? So today we will start this chapter as a small questions, small segment, small questions, right? And that will be completely based on the thinking, knowledge and whatever you have learned till date. For example, if I am asking about the numbers, definitely you have an idea about this natural number, integers, rational, irrational, right? If you are familiar to such numbers, definitely you must have an idea about the definition of these numbers, correct? Definition of these numbers are natural numbers are known as counting numbers actually, and the natural numbers starts from 1. First number of natural number is 1 and the last number it is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. We know that there is no end number. In spite of that, natural number starts with 1 and we will write 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? And last number will be taken as n. Similarly, integer has the range from plus infinity 0 to plus infinity 0 to minus infinity. This is range of the integers like -1, -2, -3, -4, that is negative integer. 0 is the integer which is neither positive nor negative, and again all that's right side, this side positive integers and this side negative integers, okay. Similarly, rational numbers means number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to integer and Q not equals to 0. It's a condition, Q should not be 0, okay. An irrational number which can't be expressed in the form of P upon Q, that is known as irrational number. For example, you may take root 2, root 3, under root 4 upon 3, under root pi and so on, right? These are the examples, etc. In spite of that 4, so many numbers like prime numbers, number which is divisible by itself are 1, that is prime. There is a confusion to the students. 1 is the first natural number. Remember this point, 1 never be the first number of prime number. Prime number starts with 2. So, the 2 is the first prime number, okay. Similarly, in case of whole number, 0 is the first whole number, because whole number is the set of the numbers including 0 and all natural numbers, right. So, I have written the important, I am just telling you some more like whole number, prime number, co-prime number, composite number. So, read the definitions from the book and importance were there which is written at the board. Today we will discuss some questions, miscellaneous questions, correct. If I am asking first natural number, that is 1. If I am asking first whole number, 0. First prime number, 2. This is the first prime number, this is the first whole number, this is the first natural number. if I am asking different one, root 4, root 9, root 25 and root 27. If 4 are given, if I am asking which is different in this 4, then definitely square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 25 is 5, but square root of this 27 is 3 root 3. So this 3 root 3 is the different, because all these 2, 3, 5 are rational, but 3 root 3 is not a rational number. Got it? Next one, because today we are revising only MCQs. Under root, again under root, it is given as, okay. So I am going to write a number in this question, and you have to find, you have to evaluate. This is 64. I am going to remove this one. It's a multiple choice question. So you may write this as 64, and I have removed the first one, that is 1 upon 2. Again I am going to remove next one as again 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, and finally this is curly bracket and small 64, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, step by step, and as per the rule a to the power m equals to a to the power m into n. So all these three will be multiplied. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, it is 1 upon 8. Now 64 has some prime factors. If you are going to find the prime factors of 64, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 2 the 64, means you may write this as 2 to the power 6, and finally you may write this as 2 to the power 6 upon 8, and this is 2 to the power 2 3 ja and 2 4 ja. This is 3 upon 4. Okay. Some more question may be of the similar one. If I am asking the 1 plus root 2, you need to find the RF, rationalizing factor of 1 plus root 2. As I told, if you are going to find the rationalizing factor, you have to write the given one 1, and this is root 2, and change the sign between them. If it is 1 plus root 2, in between 1 and 2 sign is given as plus,